Everybody wants to see what you guys look like. Say, I'm a guinea. I'm a guinea. Guineas, where are you guys? Nope, there's one over there. That's a younger one. Here's the babies. There's the little ones. They don't have a horn yet. Right? I call them the grays. Right, the little grays. There's one there. Look, and look at the babies right here. They're so cute. They're so cute. They don't have little horns yet. Right? Say hi. I'm so cute. Look how cute I am. Yeah, these are the guys. They found the snake. They found the rattlesnake. These guys found the rattlesnake. Yes, they did. And this is Snowden. He blows the whistle every day, right? Right, young man? You want to say hi? There you have it.